Hello all, welcome back to my channel GK and Coding Hub. I'm your buddy Advait. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the computer programs and even about one of the most famous computer languages, which is Java. So let's start. To understand Java, first we will need to know what is a computer program. So basically, a computer program is a sequence of instructions given to the computer to perform a particular task. A computer program is usually written by a computer programmer in a programming language. There are many programming languages used around the world by different programmers. Some of them are C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, HTML, etc. Computer programming is the process of designing and building an executable computer program to accomplish a specific computing result or to perform a specific task. Programming involves tasks such as analysis, generating algorithms, profiling algorithms, accuracy and resource consumption, and the implementation of algorithms in chosen programming languages, which is commonly referred to as coding. Specifically, in this video, I will tell you the basics of Java. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. It is a general-purpose programming language intended to let application developers write once and run anywhere, meaning that a compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. Java applications are typically compiled to bytecode that can run on any Java Virtual Machine (JVM) regardless of the underlying computer architecture. The syntax of Java is similar to C and C++, but has fewer low-level facilities than either of them. The Java runtime provides dynamic capabilities such as reflection and runtime code modification that are typically not available in traditional compiled languages. As of 2019, Java was one of the most popular programming languages in use according to GitHub, particularly for client-server web applications with a reported 9 million developers. Java was originally developed by James Gosling and Sun Microsystems, which has been acquired by Oracle and released in 1995 as a core component of Sun Microsystems Java platform. The original and reference implementation, Java compilers, virtual machines, and class libraries were originally released by Sun Microsystems under licenses. Reasons why we should learn and use Java to code. Java works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It is open source and free. It has a huge community support. Java is an object-oriented language which gives us a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, lowering development costs. As Java is close to C++ and C hash, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. Now we will learn what are the components of a Java program. Each and every language has a predefined set of characters that can be used and its own grammar and language rules. Similarly, a computer program also contains a set of programming statements. A statement is composed of various components. Each component in a program is called a token. Java also contains such predefined tokens such as characters, symbols, and punctuators, etc., which have a special meaning for the compiler. Java tokens are classified into keywords, literals or constants, separators, identifiers, variables, and operators. We will start from learning what are keywords. Basically, keywords are reserved words used in programming. Each keyword conveys a special meaning to the compiler. We cannot use them as names for variables, classes, methods, and so on. All keywords must be written in lowercase letters. Given below is a list of keywords. Now we will learn what are constants or literals. In a Java program, there are some quantities which remain fixed throughout the entire program. Such quantities are called literals. The literals are classified into three types. They are integer literals, real literals, and character literals. Integer literals are the numbers which do not contain decimals and are called integer literals. For example, -25, 644, etc. They do not have a decimal point. Real literals. The literals with a decimal point are called real literals. For example, -25.87, 644.98, etc. have a decimal point. Character literals. The alphanumeric constants are called as character literals. All alphabets, including uppercase or lowercase digits and special characters, can be called as character literals. As the name suggests, separators are special characters used in Java program to separate the variables or characters. These are called separators. For example, comma and different brackets like curly brackets, square brackets, and round brackets. Now let's head to identifiers, which is an important aspect in a Java program. Identifiers are the tokens defined by the programmer. They are used for naming classes, methods, etc. Some rules that must be followed for Java identifiers are: first rule, an identifier can contain alphabets, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Second rule, special characters, spaces, punctuations are not at all allowed within the identifier. Third rule, that it can be of any length. Fourth rule, it mustn't begin with a digit. Fifth rule, they cannot contain blank spaces at all. An identifier mustn't use Java reserved keywords. Hope you understand about identifier. If so, let's head to variables now. Now let's know what are variables. Variable in a program is like a container that stores a data value in it. Variables are names given to locations in the computer's memory. These locations can contain numeric or character values. Each variable has a data type, which specifies the type of value that can be stored in it and its size. Data types. In computer science and computer programming, a data type or simply type is an attribute of data which tells the compiler or interpreter how the programmer intends to use the data. Most programming languages support basic data types of integer numbers, floating point numbers, characters, and booleans. Integer type. That integer data types or non-fractional numbers are subtype according to their ability to contain negative values. Floating point type. Floating point data types usually represent values as high precision fractional values. They usually have predefined limits on both their maximum values and their precision. Character type. Character type data types have the ability to hold a single character. A character which may be a letter of some alphabet, a digit, a blank space, a punctuation mark, etc. A character constant consists of a character within a set of opening and closing single quotes. String type. A string data type can be a set of words used together. A string constant consists of the set of characters within a pair of opening and closing double quotes. Boolean data type. The Boolean data type is used for logical values. It only has two possible values, true or false. Declaring a variable in a Java program. Before using the variables in a Java program, they must be declared. To declare a variable, we must follow a particular syntax. Initializing a variable in a Java program. At the time of declaration, an initial value can be assigned to the variables. Now let's head to operators. An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations. Java provides different operators like. Now we will learn the different types of operators. First, arithmetic operators. Operators like plus, minus, into, upon are used to add, subtract, multiply and divide two operands. Second, relational operators. Operators like equal to checks if the values are equal. If they are equal, the condition is true. Exclamation mark equal to checks if the values are equal or not. If they are not equal, the condition is true. Greater than checks if the value of the left operand is greater than the right operand. If it is, the condition is true. Lesser than 2 checks if the value of the left operand is lesser than the right operand. If it is, the condition is true. Greater than or equal to checks if the value of the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. If it is, the condition is true. Lesser than or equal to checks if the value of the left operand is lesser than or equal to the right operand. If it is, the condition is true. The third type of operator is logical operator. Operators like and is used to check whether both the conditions are true. If it is, then the result is true. Or is used to check if any one of the conditions is true, then the result is true. Exclamation mark is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then logical not operator makes it false. Assignment operators. Operator like equal to is a simple assignment operator which assigns values from right side operands to the left side operands. Friends, that's it for today. In the next video, I will tell you about the steps and rules for writing a Java program. Hope this video cleared the basics of Java. If you found this video informative, please give it a like. Share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and set it on all notifications. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this.